Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to effectively promote Amazon affiliate links on Instagram in 2023. Instagram's visual appeal and massive users base make it an excellent platform for affiliate marketing. By leveraging the power of Amazon Affiliates program, you can earn commissions while showcasing the products that resonate with your followers. So in this tutorial, we'll guide you through the steps to successfully promote your Amazon affiliate links on Instagram. So make sure to stick by and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. First, let's start by opening whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser, and of course in your case you can use any other browser that you could possibly have or you prefer on your PC. Once you open that, let's first, of course, and foremost, you will need to become an approved Amazon affiliate by joining the Amazon Associates program. This will allow you to generate your affiliate links and earn commissions from qualifying purchases. Of course, you can always go to this URL section and simply type Amazon affiliate and hit the enter button. Once you do so, make sure to go and click on this first link. And as you can see here, we have Amazon Associates or Affiliates, the same. So from here, we'll be able, so as you can see, Amazon Associates, Amazon Affiliates Marketing Program. Welcome to the one of the largest affiliates marketing programs in the world. The Amazon Associates program helps content creators, publishers, and bloggers monetize their traffic with millions of products and programs available on Amazon. Associates use easy link building tools to direct their audience to their recommendations and earn from qualifying purchases and programs. And of course, all of that you'll be able to do it in 3 steps. The first step is sign up. So join tens of thousands of creators, publishers, and bloggers who are earning with the Amazon Associates program. The second step is recommend. Share millions of products with your audience. We have customized linking tools for large publishers, individuals, bloggers, and social media influencers. And the last step, and of course the fun step, is earn. So earn up to 10% in associates commissions from qualifying purchases and programs. Our competitive conversion rate helps maximize the earning. So what you'll have to do, of course, you can even scroll down, read the frequently asked questions, and know more information about this, as you can see. And if you want, you can simply go and click on sign up and fill the form that of course, you'll have to fill your personal information, a lot of informations. And you will, once you get approved, you will get your link and you'll be able to promote it. If you want to more help on signing up on this Amazon affiliates program, I already made a video on how to do that on one of my videos here on this channel. So make sure to go and check it out. And of course, let's start by optimizing your Instagram profile. So go open a new tab, go to instagram.com. And here, of course, you make sure to go log in into your account if you have an account. If you don't have an account, just go and create a new account for yourself. And yes, example, finish add-in. Here, I'm just going to put tests and the password. I'm just going to put this and click on sign up. If it's not available, I'm just going to put 0698 and sign up. Okay, it's somehow it's not available. It just add 2 numbers. Another account is using the same email. So let me just go and log in into that account as an example. So let's just go with this and let's do this. So anyway, I don't know, there's maybe a problem at the moment, but for you, of course, you will have to go and optimize your Instagram profile. So optimize your Instagram bio to clearly state that you are an Amazon affiliate. Include a call to action or CTA with a link to your affiliate's disclosure page. Then make sure to identify your target audience. So understanding your target audience on Instagram will be very helpful. So identify their interests, preferences, and pain points. Tailoring your affiliates promotion to suit your audience needs will result in higher engagement and conversions. And of course, make sure to go and create high quality visual content. So Instagram is a visual platform to create a high quality and engaging visual content to showcase the Amazon affiliates program or products you wish to promote. So use eye-catching images, videos, and carousel posts to captivate your audience. Of course, after all of that, you can, as an example, craft some compelling captions. So write compelling products that accompany your visual content and share products details, benefits, and personal experience to entice your followers to click on the affiliate links. Make sure to even utilize the Instagram stories and reels. Of course, make use of Instagram stories and reels to feature Amazon products and create interactive content. You can use the sweep up feature stories if you have like some verified account or more than 10K followers to direct users to your affiliate links. Of course, make sure to utilize the reels even more. Because stories, who can see your stories? Just people who's following you or people who find out your account. But reels can go really viral. It's more like it's something like TikTok. So your video, if it's good video or eye-catching images in the video or eye-catching video, of course, it could go viral, and a lot of people could click on your link, and that means you will earn a lot of commissions. You can even, as an example, which is a good point and a very important point, to host some giveaways and contests. You can organize a giveaways and contests to encourage users' participation and engagement, offering Amazon products as a prize. This, of course, will attract more users to drive traffic to your affiliate links, and even make sure to use or leverage the IGTV and live videos. So use the IGTV and live videos to review and demonstrate the Amazon products, live instructions with your audience, build trust, and increase the chances of them clicking on your affiliate links. Make sure to even incorporate affiliate links strategically. So strategically incorporate your Amazon affiliate links on your caption, comments, and stories. Avoid being too salesy to and of course and focus on providing like value and relevant products recommendations, and make sure to even monitor the performance and optimize it. So regularly track the performance of your Instagram posts and affiliate links using Instagram Insights. The Amazon Associates reports analyze the data to identify which content drive the most engagement and conversions. Make sure to even collaborate with influencers. So consider like collaborating with influencers in their niche to promote the Amazon products, influencers marketing. And this can extend your reach and attract new followers interested in your affiliates promotion. So if you reached this point of this video, congratulations, you have now the knowledge to effectively promote the Amazon affiliate links on Instagram in 2023. So by creating your eye-catching images and videos, you'll be able to do that. So remember to always disclose your affiliate links and provide value to your audiences. So thank you for watching and best of luck with your affiliate marketing efforts on Instagram. So thanks for watching again, and I'll see you in the next video.